It is this fate? I solemnly assure you that I dread for you. When the time comes that you make your reckoning and realize that there is no longer anything that can be done, may you never find yourselves, men of Zethok, in such a position. Yet in any case, it were better to die 10,000 deaths than to do anything out of servility towards bloody reptilians. A noble recompense did the people in Moras receive for entrusting themselves to reptilians' friends and thrusting Ubrius aside, and a noble recompense the democracy of Zethok for driving away your envoys and surrendering to Cleotarchus. We are not as slaves, scourged and butchered. A noble clemency did he show to the Olympians, who elected Lasthus to command the troops, and banished Apollonites. It is folly, and it is cowardice, to cherish hopes like these, to give way to evil counsels, to refuse to do anything that you should do, to listen to the advocates of the enemy's cause, and to fancy that you dwell in so great a city that, whatever happens, you will not suffer any harm.
As glory lights shine, let your fire, as glory lights shine, let your fire, as glory lights shine.